If you're seeing a Telegram video download error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is one of those issues that can happen because of a temporary app glitch, a full cache, or even a storage permission problem on your computer. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Now let's jump in. First, we're going to completely restart Telegram. This is important because sometimes the app is still running in the background even when it looks closed. On Windows, look for the Telegram icon in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. If you don't see it right away, click the little arrow to show hidden icons, then right-click the Telegram icon and choose Quit. Make sure you fully close it instead of just minimizing the app. After that, open Telegram again from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. This simple restart can clear temporary bugs that may be stopping videos from downloading properly. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear Telegram's local cache. Over time, Telegram can store a lot of temporary files, and if that cache gets corrupted or too full, downloads can start failing. To do this, open Telegram and go to Settings. From there, click Advanced. Then look for Manage Local Storage. Inside that menu, you'll see an option to clear all. Click that to remove the cached files stored locally on your device. Don't worry, this does not delete your Telegram account or your chats from the cloud. It only clears temporary, local files that may be causing the download issue. After clearing the cache, close the Telegram again and reopen it, but the changes fully take effect. Now let's check the storage path and make sure your computer is actually able to save the video file. Sometimes the issue is not Telegram itself, but the folder where the file is being downloaded. Make sure your target download folder has enough free space. If your drive is almost full, Telegram may fail when trying to save larger video files. You can check this in File Explorer by opening the drive you use for downloads and looking at the available space. If needed, delete some unused files or switch your downloads to a different folder or drive with more space. Also, check whether your antivirus or security software is blocking Telegram from writing files to your system. Some antivirus programs can accidentally interfere with downloads, especially if they see a file being saved to a protected folder. If you suspect that's happening, open your antivirus settings and look for any blocked apps, folder protection, or real-time scanning rules that may be affecting Telegram. You may need to allow Telegram through the antivirus or change the download folder to a location that isn't restricted. Just be sure you're only making safe changes and using trusted files. After doing those three things, fully restarting Telegram, clearing the local cache, and checking your storage path and antivirus settings, try downloading the video again. In many cases, that's enough to fix the Telegram video download error completely. If it still isn't working, the issue may be related to your internet connection, the file itself, or a temporary Telegram server problem, but these steps solve the most common causes. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.